What is up, my spooky babes and ghouls? So today we're going to be filming a Nadja makeup tutorial from What We Do in the Shadows. If you guys haven't seen that show, or even the movie, you guys need to check it out. The show has the character Nadja in it. The movie has 3 different vampire characters, main characters. But it's a really good movie. It's basically like a mockumentary and about vampires and how they live, so it's really cool. It's one of my favorite movies and shows, so I get to recreate one of the iconic characters from the TV show. I like dressing up as a vampire, so I think this is an excuse to film a Nadja makeup tutorial. I already did my base makeup, I did my primer, my foundation, and my concealer and eye primer, so I'm all set to go. So let's dive into this makeup tutorial now. Okay, so first I'm diving into the Lunatic Cosmetics contour palette, and I'm diving into cool shades, of course, my contour. So we contouring my cheekbones, my jawline. I'm gonna try contour my face to look a little bit like her face shape. Okay, so next I'm diving into the Anne Razy palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'm starting off on the crease. I'm going to start off really lightly. So I'm going to start off with the shade Wasted, which is like a really light pinkish shimmery shade. I like to use that one as a transition shade. Obviously it has a bunch of use in it because I have used it a lot. Because I love that shade so much. But yeah, we're just going to kind of basically dust it like all over, like over our crease. Just to create a base so that way we can blend later on. Okay, so next I'm diving into the same palette again, and I'm using the shade OG, which is a really light neutral color. Her crease has like a bit of a brown shadow to it, so I want to build up to that before I even add in the brown. Okay, so next I'm diving into the shade 1998, which is a dark brown, and I'm applying it onto the crease and blending it out. I'm applying it with a small crease brush on the crease and blending it. Okay, so next I'm kind of cutting the crease with the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer. I just want the crease a little bit sharper so that way I can have the glitter on and it won't, you know, like the brown won't blend into the glitter shadow. Okay, so next time we're doing the liner. Before doing the glitter, of course, I just wanted to see like the placement of it before I add glitter all over my eyelid. But I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid eyeliner, and I'm gonna try following her. Whoa, I almost dropped my phone. I'm gonna try to following her eyeliner shape as close as possible. It's really tiny, short. It's kind of thick though, but I don't think I can do it that thick with my eyelids because I have really hooded eyelids, you guys. So I'm gonna try my best to make it match, even like with the small eyelids I have. Okay, so next I'm using the same palette again, and I'm diving into the shade Liddy, which is glitter, one of their pressed glitters. I think I'm also going to go into the other glitter shade Gemini, which is more golden. I kind of want more of a bright golden look, so I'm going to probably mix those two together. Just layer them together. And I'm applying that onto my eyelid and the negative space I have here. I'm going to try to avoid getting it on the eyeliner, but we'll see what happens. Okay, so next I'm diving into the handbook for the recently deceased eyeshadow palette. And I'm diving into the shade Lydia, which is red. Of course, you can use really any red eyeshadow you have on hand, perhaps even lipstick as well. And I'm basically going to be applying this underneath my eyes and blending it downwards, just a tiny bit. Okay, so next I'm going to be adding some white eyeliner onto my waterlines. Okay, so next I'm going to do my brows using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Powder in Granite. And I'm going to try to follow her eyebrow shape as close as possible. It might be covered up by the bangs later, so I'm probably not going to make them too thick, because I personally do not like thick brows on myself, so... But I'm going to try to follow that same like basic shape as hers. Okay, so next I'm applying the Vinyl Cosmetics Lucifer Liquid Lipstick onto my lips. Okay, so next I'm contour my nose using this little Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette. This one is the Walking on Eggshells palette, and I'm just gonna dive into the shadow up here, which is like a cool brown. We don't want anything warm on our nose because that's the center of our face, and we do not want warmth in the center of our face. So I'm gonna kind of contour my nose to look like hers. Okay, next I'm going to be adding on some lashes from Enchanting Beauty Cosmetics. These are another local brand that I support. They have some like really beautiful lashes, you guys. But anyway, so I'm going to be applying the style Affluence. They're perfect for like winged eye looks, which I think will be perfect for this look. I honestly wear these like pretty much like all the time when I wear makeup now. Like, these are probably the only lashes I wear most of the time, to be honest. Unless I want to go for like a different style, then I will, but these are my go-to lashes, and I feel like if they break, I will definitely have to go buy another pair from her. But I'll be applying these off camera and I'll be back to you guys. Okay guys, so I'm gonna change into costume, do my hair, and I'll be back to you guys. Okay guys, so that is it for today's makeup tutorial, and I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. I had a ton of fun recreating Nadja from What We Do in the Shadows. It was like a last minute like idea, honestly. Like, it wasn't originally like on my plan for the Halloween videos this year, but like I was watching a show and I was like, oh my goodness, like I have bangs and I could totally dress up as Nadja. Like, I could totally do a makeup tutorial for it, so here I am. I really like the little ears I did on the hair. I'm not sure if they're like supposed to be ears or horns she had, like she does her hair in, but it's super cute. I just love it. I think they really pulled the whole look together. They made me look like her. I also got some retractable vampire rings from Spirit Halloween, but they're a little bit too big for my mouth. Like, they're the perfect color for my teeth, but they're huge. Yeah, I don't know. I haven't glued them in yet, but yeah, they're pretty huge. But I'll probably just be using them for like the pictures for this video. I don't have any other vampire teeth. I did have some like really cool vampire teeth a few years ago, but I lost them, and they were like the perfect color for my teeth and everything, but whatever. But these ones they're pretty cool. I like them, but they're too big for my mouth. Like, I can't wear them comfortably. I just have to wear them for like a little bit. I wish I had like some like vampire teeth that look nice. And I kept looking at some Spirit Halloween the other day, and they had the scarecrow things, and they were like these like little vampire things are nice, but they were just a teeny bit too white for my teeth. I might go back and get them though, because I do want them. But yeah, I had a ton of fun recreating Nadja, and I had some clothes that look similar to hers that are like Victorian. So I just threw some stuff together, some accessories, and I know she's been wearing like a lot of like bows like in the recent episode, so yeah. Also, I got these really cute earrings from the Earring Queens. They are a local brand that I discovered like at market days, and I'll make sure to leave the link down to their Instagram down below in the description box so you guys can check them out, because they make some really cute beaded earrings, and I bought like some pumpkin ones the month before from them too, and I really like them. So make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and also be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Also make sure you do check out my other Halloween makeup tutorials, you guys, because I have a bunch of makeup tutorials already uploaded so far this month, and I'm still gonna be uploading, so you guys need to be subscribed to see that. Well, you don't have to be, but I mean, you should subscribe to my channel either way. But also make sure to turn on the post notification bell so you guys will be notified whenever I do post a video. You guys want to stay up to date on that. So yeah, so that'll be it for today's video. So I hope you guys have a safe, wonderful, and spooky day. Bye guys!